Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Well, anyways, today we're going to be putting on a new iPad case. This is a nice case, but before we get into the video, guys, make sure to check out the last video that I just made. It was about how to put on your screen protector for your iPad, and I showed you everything. I showed you from, just putting this on here and how to smooth it out with my handy dandy little squeeger and squeege it all out so we have no air bubbles. Anyways, guys, make sure to like and subscribe before we get started because we're posting crazy videos. We're gonna do drawing videos. We're gonna do content videos of different things. This is my new journey, guys. My new journey is basically making drawings for you guys. I'm making art. I'm gonna be creating more, this is the future for my channel. So I'm gonna show you how just to do a lot of art. Anyways, guys, I'm so happy we got that screen protector on. We are gonna get started now with the case protector. So we have this all settled up. Now, guys, I got this. It's a pro case. I got it from Amazon. I'll be linking it down in the description down there, guys. So if you guys want the exact same one, might as well get one for yourself too. Anyways, guys, let's get started. We're gonna be opening up this case, guys, and we are gonna put it on. And the one reason I bought this case, guys, is because two reasons. It has the clear coat for the nice back of your iPad. It has the pencil holder here, guys, and it also has the sleep mode. So when you put it down, it's magnet and it makes your iPad sleep. So we're gonna open it up. Let's see what it's all about, guys. So we got some instructions here. Peel off the inner outside protecting film of the case before putting it on. That's all good. We got this one here. They put a little protector, and this is what they are talking about, guys, right here. They want us to peel this off and then put the iPad in. So I don't mind the front end. That's why I put this on top, because it's a protector. So I don't mind to put things on top. But for now, guys, we want to flip the iPad around. Since we are displaying the back of the iPad right here, guys, we're displaying this in the back of the window. We want to make sure when we peel this protective layer off that our iPad's nice and clean, because I don't want to see any dirt marks, guys, and smudges and all. I want to make sure it's good. And also, guys, this kit that I did the screen with, it comes with these protectors for the camera, which I'm gonna put on because I do want to protect the camera. So anyways, let's get started cleaning the back of this here. We're gonna get started just by spraying it, but we're not gonna spray directly on it, guys. We are gonna spray it onto the towel that Apple gave us, guys, or you can do any towel, but I'll link down in the description a nice cleaning towel that you can clean with your with your spray. And the spray, I'll link down with spray too, what I think. Pretty much it's a simple spray. This spray is basically a eye glasses cleaner spray. I'll link it down what I think is the best for you guys. So a nice spray and a nice cloth to wipe your iPad. You want to make sure your iPad is protected and it's nice and clean before you put it in the case. So we're gonna make sure this is nice and clean. You might have to do some multiple sprays, guys, just to get everything all cleaned up. Perfect, guys. It makes me really happy when I have a nice clean iPad and I'm at work working with it, or I'm designing something, or I'm creating content for you guys. It just makes my life so much easier. I know that my asset, my iPad, basically, it's an asset to me. I'm sure it's an asset to everyone because it makes them money. It helps them with day-to-day tasks. It's a big asset. It's like a car, your car is an asset too. And you want to protect that asset, by washing it. You want to put a clear coat on. Maybe you want to put for example, maybe a paint film protector, or a paint wrap protector, or whatever, you want to protect it, guys, because your car is expensive. iPads are expensive. There's a lot of things in this world that are expensive. And if we can protect it with a case and a screen protector, then we are actually doing good, guys. Most people don't have these things, but guys, if you got these things, protect them, guys, because I don't want to see you guys walking outside with an iPad in your hand and it has no case, guys. That is just plain not right. You guys have to protect it. Okay, enough with that, guys. We got it nice and clean. Now we got this here. Let's see how we're gonna put it on. I think there's something like the ultra thin glass cover, so I think you're gonna peel it like this, guys. Something like this. Let's see. I don't know. I think it's like you have to peel it off. But there you go. So you're gonna peel it off like this, and then I'm gonna put it right on here, guys. I'm gonna make sure that is all nice and clean. Okay. Because once I put it on, there's no going back. Don't want to see any dirt on it or anything. Make sure the camera's nice and clean. Not like we're gonna take a lot of videos and pictures of it, but we want a nice clean camera if we do take pictures or photos. And we're gonna place that right on there, guys. Oh. And we can, yeah, once you put it on, sort of no going back. But I feel like I put it on pretty good. Okay, it's protected good. Okay, guys, so make sure we give it in our wipe. See, it already has some scratches on the logo, but it's okay, don't worry. It's gonna get little scratches. Because when you first get it, you're like, oh, I want to use it straight away. But you guys have to order the case. But I got the case now. I think the case came like, I don't know, like 5 days later. But it's because I ordered it right after I got the iPad. I should have ordered it before. When I was ordering the iPad, I should have ordered it at the same time. So the case came. And then when I got the case, then I got the iPad, and I would have put it right in the case in the beginning. But it's okay, guys. Live and learn. So I'm guessing, guys, this side is nice and clean. I don't think we have to wipe it, but I'm just gonna wipe it for my sake of purpose, you know. So I'm just gonna make it nice and clean. And the other side is a little dirty, but it's a protector on the other side, so we're gonna have to peel the other side off too after. So we're gonna clean it up nice. Now I'm gonna lay this down, and I'm gonna flip the iPad right into it like a fresh pair of socks on your feet. Just slide them right on. Okay, let's see, guys. So we got that end in. Put the two front ends first in like this. And make sure, guys, the camera goes in the camera. This is the camera side, so put the camera in the camera slot. And then I'm gonna be sliding this in like that. Perfect. It's gonna come on because the home buttons are getting pressed. Everything's getting pressed, but it's okay. We are sliding that in. I'm gonna turn that off there. And when you put it on, guys, make sure that you don't lift the screen, because you don't wanna what's called put air bubbles in the screen protector that you just installed. So but you guys should be okay if you take it nice and slow. Snap everything in. It is looking good, guys. Perfect. And I'm gonna give it another wipe, guys, just to make sure it's all nice and clean. Perfect. It is looking actually good, guys. And now I got the pen here. This case is really cool, guys. I recommend to get the same one because it works nice. And look, I can put the pen in, and the pen is just gonna charge. So it's on. Put the pen in, and it should charge. Yes. There we go. Yeah. Hopefully it does. Well, it should be that side. It should, because that's the side. But I don't know. There's a little technique to it, guys. This is the side where it charges. Where's it at? There. Yeah, well, it should be charging. It's fully charged anyways. You can put that down. Now I'm gonna flip it on its back. Now I'm gonna peel this layer. This layer is the protective coat. I don't know. Should I peel it off or not? I think I should peel it off because this is the case. It doesn't matter if it gets scratches or not. But anyways, this case is protecting the real iPad underneath. So I like it, guys, because there is protection on the back of your iPad. So anyways, guys, we have the iPad, we got the camera cover, we have the pencil on the side, and we have the case protector here. And when you want to bring out the pen, you bring it out and you can start drawing, and everything is covered. And then when you're done, you can put the pen back and the pen will actually charge. I think it's this way, guys. Yeah, maybe that's why it's not charging. There you go. So the pen has to be this way and it charges. So yeah, it's all good, guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it, and I really hope you guys learned something too. You guys learned how to put a new case on your iPad and how to clean it, how to prep it, how to get it ready so you don't have any damage in the future on your iPad. Anyways, guys, this side is shiny and this side is nice and dull. But anyways, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment what you guys think, and tell me, guys, what are you guys gonna get? Are you guys gonna get an iPad soon? Because, you know, tell me what kind of stuff are you gonna use your iPad for, like drawing or cartoon or design, interior, exterior design. Anyways, guys, make sure to keep watching for my next videos that are coming out. Okay, guys, have a good day and take care.